back to Miracuves. Today we are presenting you MX Zerodha, our super app, or rather you can call it a super stockbroking platform just like Zerodha, built on the same principles with multiple integrations all across. So this is the landing page what you're greeted with, where we have a hero section and a lot of other stats and places. These are like pretty much populated data because this is not a live platform, this is technically a demo platform, but we have a lot of integrations which we're going to walk you through. So you can see there are multiple sections and this entire page can be redesigned to match your needs. Same applies for any other page all across the site. Any other page, any other design language can be met up, not a problem. Now you can create a new account or you can use our existing account. This is our login page. You can log in. We have created different logins for different experiences. You can see as an admin, user, trader, investor. Let's first start with the user. So once you log in as the user, you're greeted with a dashboard which shows you the live ticker, and this is actually a live ticker which is connected to the BSC indexes. And this is our portfolio value, the dummy portfolio value with PL and all the market indices which are actually working in real time. And beyond that, you can see your watch list and your top movers for the day, your market newses, which gets updated in real time with your own holdings and your quick trades and your portfolio analysis and your asset distributions, PL breakdowns. A lot of stuff is there. You can check your complete portfolio, which is divided across what and what not. You can have your custom watch list and you can add more stocks there as you require. Then you can check the positions, all your orders, pending, completed, cancelled, rejected, all your holding in detail. Then in your trading, you can trade stocks. You can see the charts, FNOs, option strategies. You can create custom option strategies also. You can create your custom option strategies. And you can do algo trading as well. You can even define algo trading strategy and do it. Then we have investments, we have mutual funds, IPOs, bonds, sovereign gold bonds. Then you can look into the research. You have the screeners, analytics, tax planner as well. Going by the community, which is the most advanced feature precisely, you can look into the other social feeds of people posting up different things and their own suggestions. Custom full dedicated forum, proper leaderboard, top traders, message each other. Now for your account, you have funds, all your reports in a place, P&L reports, your overall performance. If you are actually the referral programs, your basic settings and management, you want a light theme or a dark theme, or you want to put it on auto mode as you prefer, you can do a lot of things in here. Then your trading considerations, and if you want pin based without pin, and your display constants as well. And you have a complete dedicated health center where you can actually seek all the help for all different things which we are pre-built and can be managed from the admin panel as well. This is your own profile, your complete details and everything. Along with that, your contact address, KYC, your bank details, your nominee, and the search options are there. All the notification options are there. So this is your user. Now going back to the fact, if you look at the trader account, which is just the same thing with different aspects. So you will see the portfolio value has changed. It has different stats inside for you to have a different situation analysis for different things. That's the point. Rest everything remains the same. Same applies for the investor account also. The figures are different for understanding, but rest everything is just the same. The panel and the features remain the same. It's just that the data sets are different. Moving beyond, now let's go back to the point of admin. What all can admin do? So here you can see this is your command center, which has all the widgets and stats in graphical format for ease of understanding and more viable understanding with the stats of the system and everything in place. You can see all your users which are there, and you can control their aspects. You can see their risk factor using AML KYC factor. The complete documentation of the platform can be managed from here. The system stats for the server, all what is happening in the trading, complete KYC management system, complete market data management, finance control, bonds control, insurance management, broker integrations, and we support a lot of brokers. You can directly integrate APIs with Zerodha, Upstock, Angel One, 5paisa, ICICI Direct, Allies Blue, and we can integrate as per your requirements. We can talk about it. So this is the individual broker configurations which you can set up here. And you can define what options you want to enable and whether you want to enable or not, whether you want the commodity currencies also to be enabled there or not. Then you have the commission structures, and you can define individual commissions for each of the broker APIs. You can set up all the transaction charges here. These are the broker API sections for the integrations, of course. User mapping, you can map user to specific brokers also if you want. This is a test just to validate whether it's working fine or not, whether things are properly integrated and working. It's an autonomous testing process which we have set up. And you can set up default broker for the system as well. Your complete analytics reports, and you can export the complete reports for everything. Complete content control for the banners, FAQs, legal pages, menus and navigations, notification templates, and other static pages. Complete forum management, social feed management for the complete social part. API integration, we support a lot of other APIs, not just limited to the idea of what you have seen as of yet. We support a lot. We have payment gateways, KYC management system using DigiLocker, Kilo SMS, Motilal Oswal broker system, SendGrid email system, and we can actually add anything you want, as well as we have webhooks for multiple management and API controls over them. So we can have multiple API webhooks to actually connect it to limitless options. This is the complete audit log of what things are happening, your complete alerts around the system, your complete health history of the system, and the complete security detailing. So for compliance and KYC, we have Karza and DGO. We have a lot of other things in place. We have ton of things loaded here. So that's pretty much it about the system. This is more than what I can explain in a single video. You can test it yourself to validate it, but it's again in the demo mode. We cannot actually put up in live mode, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and after this you can look at our mobile app demo. Thank you so much. This is MX Zerodha mobile app. You can see that was the splash screen, now followed by the welcome screens, completely customizable to match your needs. This is the login part. We have the demo mode and the live mode, but still right now we are going to use demo mode only. User, trader, investor. There is no admin mobile app. So now log in with this, and we just logged in inside. You can see this is the front screen, and this is a live cascading widget in the front. You can see the market open and the real-time pricing for the things. The notifications will come here. Your portfolio value. You can buy anything you want. You can sell. Go till triggered. You can set up custom orders like that. Your market depth analysis, all your alerts which you must have set up, and the charts in real time. Now you have the explore, you have the screener option, you have the research options for the markets, news, heat map, market informations for different sectors performance, earning calendars. You have options to invest in mutual funds, IPO bonds, SCP, what we have in web. You have everything here as well. You have the trade options for order book, your brackets, cover order, commodity orders, your algo tradings. Your margin uses how much margin you have used and how much is free. Your watch list, your recent orders, your market movers. You can buy, sell in any of them without any problem directly from any of the interfaces. Now, if I go to the portfolio, it will give an insight of the portfolio, what is the total portfolio value. Then you can actually see your investment portfolios and other things. And you can see all of them. Like if I talk about the holdings and stocks, you can see the amount of stock and everything I have. If I go by mutual funds, you can see the mutual funds which I have with their calculators and everything in place. If I go to IPO, you can again do the same. And same for the bonds. Same applies for the sovereign gold bonds. Now moving further, you have your watch list, which you are where you can actually set up your watch list entirely for anything you want with proper alerts and heat maps and everything. Your orders, your open orders, your closed orders, your executed orders, and you can look into the details what was happened and what had happened with complete details around it. Then your profile, and your profile contains everything: your profile control, your securities, your bank and KYC, your KYC documentation, your nominee managements, biometric logins, trading preferences, and you have something interesting, your broker settings. You can connect your other brokers also into this app. This is quite a powerful feature which we are offering, and we have all this here integrated. Other than that, we have price alerts, your options change, your strategy builder from here, your IV tracker, your gigs analyzer, your bracket order, cover order, your complete investments control, your all algo trading, your complete community control, your research elements, and your subscriptions, your plan, your tax planner, your tax status also. And there is a lot more to it. It's a fully packed, complete app, and the redesign can be done to match your needs anytime. Thank you so much for watching. We really ask you to test it in yourself. There might be some couple of bugs left out in our debug build, but don't worry, when you get the final solution, it will be perfect from end to end. That's a promise which we give in writing. Thank you so much.